Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and today I want to talk to you about whether or not you've been misled. Now that's pretty confronting, isn't it? Have you been misled? And the simple fact is, I think you may have been. And I think we all have been. But I'll tell you why it's not your fault and what we can do about it. You see, as a kid, I was told, and you were probably told as well, go to school, get good grades, go to university, get a good job, and everything would be fine. Your income would continue to grow and you'd be able to pay off a home and be nice and safe and retire happily ever after. Well, unfortunately, it's just not turning out that way. The modern world has changed, and whether we like it or not, the old advice that we were given is no longer any good. In fact, I think it's misleading. So, just in the past month, McKinsey Institute, the global McKinsey Institute, came out with a report that said over 800,000 jobs worldwide were going to be overtaken by artificial intelligence. And then you have the fact that the same reports that said that in the US alone, middle class incomes have decreased for 70% of the people within the middle class. Just think about that. So all that advice about go to university, get a good job, retire happily ever after, and now you're seeing that for 70% of the middle class, their income is declining. No good at all. And then on top of that, you've got the fact that we're teaching kids to go to university, accumulate these massive debts, and then go and apply for jobs where the income is declining. So what chance do they have of paying off those debts, let alone setting themselves up for a secure financial future when they're stressed and worried about paying off that college or university debt? And it's common across most of the major countries in the world where students and young people, pardon me, are graduating with massive debts. So, what do you do about it? What are your options? Have we been played? Have you been played? Have you been misled? Well, the simple fact is that if you look at what's going on in modern society, and you don't have to look too deep, there's some really key people who are spreading a message that I think has a lot of the answers. You look at Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, or Dean Graziosi. All three are now teaching and promoting the idea that you need to take some form of action that creates your own stream of income outside of a paid job. And that may be using some knowledge that you have that other people are looking for. They call it the knowledge industry. It's growing at exponential rates. But for a lot of people, and I suspect you might be one of them, you're sitting there going, but I don't know what to sell, or I don't have a product to sell, or I don't have any knowledge to sell. Well, I've got some free training for you. Just click the link below and I'll show you how you can get involved in the knowledge industry, in the online industry, earning yourself an income simply and effectively by just using other people's products. Efficient and effective in growing an income. In fact, some may say it's the most profitable method in online marketing that you can be involved in, selling other people's products. So click the link below. There's a free training. I'll even send you a free report. Just click that link, give us your email address so we know where to send the free report, and then check out the free training that explains how you can get involved in the knowledge industry and become an online marketer and generate an income that over time will replace the income of a job and protect you from being one of the people who may lose their job due to artificial intelligence or because of the pressure on companies to make more profits, but they can't do it with the increasing burden of labor. So there's more and more jobs that are disappearing, so that people, companies, are no longer having to pay those wages. So click the link below. Let's get you started in the online market. Let's get you in the knowledge industry and get you a secure income stream that can replace your job and set you up for the modern world and overcome that misleading advice that we've been given, which is not your fault and it's not probably our parents' fault. It's what they thought was the right information at the time. But the simple fact is that information is no longer valid and the modern society has moved on. So as I said, click the link. Let's get you started in the online market and the online industry and earning an income from knowledge, selling other people's products to get you started. Cheers.